approach butterflies slowly. Do not disturb them, otherwise they will fly away. Pawan Damur from Pune, Maharashtra, India. Butterfly lover from the last 7 to 8 years. Trying to approach a butterfly slowly. Let's see. Let me show you the beautiful butterfly here from the nymphalid family. That's the tawny coaster butterfly basking. The sun has just peeped out from the clouds. It's a cloudy weather here in Pune. Do not raise your voice while approaching butterflies. Even though they do not have ears, they get alert too soon and they fly away. This is the tawny coaster butterfly basking. A beautiful butterfly, orange color.